Sara and her friend Ben are two souls who find joy not in the hustle and bustle of big cities, but in the quiet whispers of nature. They don't seek out loud, crowded places. Instead, they cherish the simple pleasures of fresh air, serene landscapes, and calm, peaceful moments. Their adventures are gentle, filled with the quiet magic that only the natural world can offer. One bright morning, with the promise of a perfect day ahead, they decide to embark on a small boat trip down the river that winds near their village. This river is known for its gentle current and tranquil beauty, a place where many locals go to find peace. They arrive at the riverbank early, just as the day is beginning to unfold. The sky is a canvas of light blue, dotted with soft, fluffy clouds drifting lazily by. The air is crisp and clean. Sara, with a careful step, gets into the small wooden boat. Ben holds it steady for her, his hands firm on the sides. Once she's settled, he joins her. They each take a paddle, and with a coordinated push, they guide the boat away from the shore and into the gentle embrace of the river. The water moves quietly beneath them, creating a soft, rhythmic lapping sound against the boat's hull. It's a soothing melody, the river's own lullaby. As they paddle downstream, the scenery unfolds like a beautiful painting. On both sides of the river, tall, lush green trees stand like ancient guardians, their leaves rustling softly in the breeze. Birds soar gracefully in the sky above, their songs echoing through the air. Some perch on the branches, their cheerful chirping adding to the symphony of the morning. A warm smile spreads across Sara's face. She turns to Ben, her eyes sparkling with delight, and says, "This place feels so calm and beautiful." Ben simply nods, a contented look on his face. As he continues to paddle slowly, his strokes smooth and steady, the sun's rays dance upon the water's surface, making it sparkle like a river of liquid silver. Unadulterated bliss. Adulterated bliss. Further down the river, they discover a small hidden cove. The water here is even clearer, and they can see small, colorful fish swimming just below the surface. They decide to stop for a while. Ben gently guides the boat towards a small, sandy patch on the shore. They pull the boat up slightly, securing it so it won't drift away. Sara takes out a small basket she brought along. Inside are fresh apples, some cheese, and a loaf of crusty bread. They sit on a large, smooth rock near the water's edge, enjoying their simple meal. The only sounds are the gentle lapping of the water, the distant song of birds, and the soft crunch of their food. They don't need to say much. The shared silence is comfortable, filled with a mutual understanding and appreciation for the moment. They are completely present, soaking in the peace and beauty surrounding them. After their light lunch, they decide to explore the area on foot. They follow a narrow path that leads into the woods. The sunlight filters through the dense canopy of leaves, creating a dappled pattern on the forest floor. They find a patch of vibrant wildflowers, a riot of colors against the green backdrop. Sara kneels down to get a closer look, marveling at the intricate details of each petal. Ben points out a small squirrel scampering up a tree, its bushy tail twitching with excitement. The setting sun paints the sky in shades of orange, pink, and purple, reflecting beautifully on the water. When they finally reach the shore where they started, the sky is filled with stars. The world is quiet, wrapped in the tranquility of the night. As they secure the boat and gather their things, they look back at the river, grateful for the simple, perfect day they shared.
Oh.
It wasn't an epic adventure to a faraway land, but it was an adventure of the heart. A reminder that the most profound beauty and peace can often be found in the quiet moments, right in our own backyard. Thank you so much for joining us on this quiet adventure. If you enjoyed this peaceful journey, please give this video a like and subscribe for more serene stories. We'd love to have you with us next time.